Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to do the design trick on PCB. So trick are the copper pad on your PCB that connect different component pin together. So now here let's go quickly. Look at the right side, find the front copper layer. Let's click on here and then find the route drag, or you can press it on your keyboard. It also lets you to do the drag on the PCB. So now let's click and then let's click to this connector. So let's click on here and then let's click. So you can go to schematic for make more easier for you to design the track here. So now I'm gonna go to schematic. So as you can see, 12 volt from connector to each component, capacitor C1 and C2. Now let's go to PCB again. Click on here and then move it to here. So click on here. So the resistor, I can click on here and then press A for look more easier. In this video, I'm not detailed about the without track. I just want to make sure of how to do the track on the PCB. So now click on here and then let's click, move out like this. Let's clear again. So now as you can see on the schematic, the voltage flow from resistor to the capacitor first. So go to here. So now I'm gonna fix something. Escape again, click on here, move it to like this. Click on here. Okay, that's good. So now I'm gonna move it to here. Press A. Press F. Click the rotor drag. Let's click on here and then let's do again. Do like this. So I'm gonna make the drag for 3.3 volt. Let's click and then let's do again. Escape. So now I'm gonna make the trap for ground. So from resistor to LED, and then click on here, move more like this. Let's click. I'm gonna fix something. Let's click then do like this, as you can see. So now escape and find the front couple layer. Let's click. So now I can make the thread on our PCB board. So thank you guys.